Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know my face look a little bit weird, but it's because in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to slim your nose in real life without plastic surgery or in photo without Facetune app. So before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Chatsiri, or you can call me Chat for short, and I am from Thailand, but right now I am living in Germany. And let's get started. So I already have my foundation on and my eye look, which I will also link the video of the eye look in the description box. So before I put concealer on, I will do a cream contour on my nose, and I will be using the Fenty Beauty Match Stix in Truffle. And I'm just gonna put on my nose like that. I forgot to zoom you guys in, but now we are close up. And now I'm gonna blend this with the beauty sponge. So what I do is I blend inside, just like a dragging motion, but like gently, and also stamping motion. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It already looks a little bit in shape, but now I am going to put concealer under my eyes, and you will see why I do this after contour. And I'm using TooFaced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. The shade I'm using is called Sand. I will also put this concealer as close as the contour that I lay on just now, and I am going to blend this out. I am doing inside my nose to create the light here to make it look smaller. And I am going to highlight my nose with a concealer also. I'm using stamp motion, so we don't need to blend this out too far. And I am going to set my face real quick, and then we will continue our nose contour. Okay, now I am going to use my current favorite bronzer to contour my nose and also my face, and this is from Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer in Caramel Cutie. And the brush I'm going to use today is Sigma E70, or the angle brush, just like this. And I'm going to tap on the bronzer just to have a little bit of the pigment on the brush, and I'm going to just create a line by stamping that on my nose first. And then I'm going to brush into the center of my nose. The reason why I do this is because if you brush outside, it's gonna create more shadow on your nose and it will make it appear bigger, if you know what I mean. And if you see a little bit harsh line, just use the tip of your finger and just make sure that there is no obvious line. You can make it appear more dramatic by adding highlighter, and highlighter I will be using today is not really highlighter, but it's Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. This is perfect powder for a subtle from the inside glow. And you want to use a small brush to highlight your nose. This is from Morphe, no number. Or you can use highlight brush too. Again, I'm using my finger to tap any harsh line. So what do you guys think of my nose contour? That's pretty much how I normally do my nose contour. And leave me the comment down below if you like it, if you will try it. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!